fully salute you, sir. And
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thanks, sir. Thanks.
And yeah, so now can we take the questions from our senior officers first, sir, with your permission? That was, sir. So now we have Wing Commander Karnik, sir, Wing Commander Kawatra, sir, Veer Chakra holders, both of them. So thank you, sir, for being a part of this journey. So, yes, sir. Karnik, sir, if you can.
Yes. Excellent narration. In fact, hair raising. Virtually, the way you have gone about achieving your task was really commendable. Commendable indeed. Absolutely.
Thank you very much, sir.
Inspirational. And wish you all the best in your retired life. Where have you settled down?
Sir, I am settled at Jaipur, sir.
Jaipur. Okay. All the very best and happiness, good health. So,
thank you very much, sir. God bless you, sir.
Thank you. Okay.
Good evening.
Yeah, now, sir, now let us give the chance to our Wing Commander Kawatra, sir, 71 OR hero. Yes, sir. So next you can take it, sir. Please. Wing Commander Karnik, sir. Kawatra, sir.
Yeah. Mr. Rathod.
Sure.
As usual, I happened to join late, but I started listening to you around 7 o'clock. And when you were on your move to Bihar, looking after the elections, and thereafter, I must say your journey in BSF is very inspiring, and it shows the hard work you have put in, and it is really commendable, and I'm sure it will motivate all those people who are listening to you, and those who are not listening, through them. I mean, like I'm listening, I will definitely convey a lot of positive note about BSF and the way you are operating. It shows high spirits, high morale, and the best is looking after the welfare of your subordinates. It is very, very commendable. You were discipline oriented, and it showed all your life.
Thank you very much, sir, for your compliments.
You have really done a commendable job. My best wishes to you when now, since you have told me that you are settled in Jaipur, if I happen to come, since I am in Indore, you don't know. If
you are welcome, sir.
I will definitely find out. I know how to find out the numbers and things like. Definitely look here.
Whenever you visit Jaipur, sir, please come to my place also.
Definitely, I'll make it a point. My memory is good. I make a note also somewhere.
Thank you very much, sir.
All the best wishes for you and your family and your near and dear ones in your retired life, and best of good wishes for your children too. Thank you. God bless.
Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Wing Commander Kawatra, Veer Chakra, sir, for your compliments. Yes, sir. Anybody can unmute and speak.
Sir, I am Yogi Das.
Yeah, Yogi Das, sir. Yes.
Sir, I am from 109 entry, sir. Are you from 109, sir?
Yes, say again, sir.
Sir, I am from 109 entry. Are you from
119 entry? Yes, sir. Rathod sir, he is from 119 entry.
109?
118 entry.
109, sir. How about you, sir?
Who?
Not able to listen.
Your voice is low. I think you have to increase your voice volume.
118.
I am from 109 entry.
119. I am from 118 entry.
Okay, sir. Okay.
What was your trade, sir?
Engine fit.
Oh.
SR number. That's service number 659 30 something. And my number is 659550.
Sir. Thank you.
Yes,
God
sir,
bless you,
next
sir.
time, I think let us debrief. Many are to speak. Yeah.
Mr. Rathore, very impressive, and the courageous movement, as well as
Sir.
especially I am touched with the care for the people, and
sir.
which I always, being a behavioral researcher and
Sir.
looking after the people, whether elder, younger, or peers, I am appreciating from core of my heart. And God bless you. And the same thing, visiting Jaipur, I will not miss you to meet.
Sir, please come, sir. Sir, thank you very much for your compliment, sir.
So nice to know, and definitely you have done wonderful, remarkable contribution to the service and society, as well as for the inspiration to the new generation. All the best, and God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. God bless you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Sir. Yeah.
May I come in, sir?
Yeah, please.
I am Professor B.S. Sharma from Jaipur. I am his intake mate as well as state mate. We are same state and batchmate. We have gone from Jodhpur to Air Force
together. That's great.
There are only one or two things I'll tell you. He is so humble, so ground to heart. I'll tell you, after Guwahati, we have not met with each other. In Guwahati, when I went for flight engineer course, he was already a flight engineer. There we met. Thereafter, we had no contact with him. I don't know how he got my telephone number. That I was having landline. He rang up from his yes sir, and he told me, Bhavani Shankar Sharma बोल रहे हैं. I told yes. He told me Karan Singh Rathore बोल रहा हूँ. अरे आप तो बहुत बड़े अफसर हो. अरे बोला कुछ नहीं, मैं यहाँ तो वही हूँ, Karan Singh Rathore. And he came with a star car, one star, one flag, came to my home. That time my sister's son marriage was there. That last Bida. That time he came, he had his food on ground. He was so humble. Second thing is, in our two get-togethers, he is both the get-togethers, he has come joined, and he was as like Abhinesh was telling. He was dancing with his specialty is there. He can dance with glass on his head. that is his, trademark. So I wish him very best for his future, and thanks a lot for calling him. I am also honored. Thank you.
I am thankful to Bhavani ji. He only made me to join this webinar.
Yeah. We appreciate his efforts. We appreciate his efforts in introducing you, and also that Justice Panot also. Yeah, I think
for information of all, Bhavani Sharma and others, my intermate, we have made a group of around 150 plus our intermate of permanent intake, and we are on the always we discuss some good things about the life.
So yeah, that's great. I think you are still maintaining the contacts among you and enjoying the annual get-togethers at a different place. So now you get a lot of happiness by so doing. Yeah, thank you. And any other intermates? Yes, first priority.
Before end this session, I will also like to ask a simple question, Mr. Rathore. How about your children? Is there anybody joined in forces or something like this? Because we want to have a hero once again in the services. Because definitely there is a kahavat agar jo the mother is jumping about 10 feet in the sense the children will jump about 100 feet. Okay. So I think
thank you Shahid bhai. ईद मुबारक हो एक बार और फिर आपको.
बहुत अच्छी बात है. आपका बच्चे लोग क्या कर रहे हैं?
बच्चे my eldest son, he is a mechanical engineer in associate of Maruti Limited, that is Jai Bharat Maruti Limited in Gujarat.
Okay.
One of my son, he has already passed the BCom LLB and is preparing for exams and all.
Excellent. So proud that I was with you, the great man, and you were our inspiration those days in 1977 because you were the intake senior man and like बताया था जो आप वैसे जो the humble in the sense we should learn from you and everything
आपका गाना याद है अभी तक
Okay, sir. Okay, I think you can personally also share your experiences. Now let us give the chance to others. Thank you, Mohammed Sahab. Again, Eid Mubarak. Yes, sir. Balinge, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Am I audible?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yeah, please.
Yeah. Good evening, Rathod Sahab.
Good evening, sir.
It's really a pleasure to read your travel right from your childhood till today, because the number of moments you had during Air Force as well as during border security BSF, that is a really marvelous and very adventurous one. Because you know I was with Air Force from 61 to 79 and then I joined corporate sector, that is oil company Bharat Petroleum, and I was coordinator for CISF, Central Industrial Security Board. And they're all activities and entire whatever operations and all. So I use you are a very welfare oriented person. I could read from your tongue, and I was being a Air Force person or uniform person. I used to care for CISF people, and with my management, I used to see that all welfare care is being taken. And my management used to ask me, Balige, you are employee of Bharat Petroleum or you employee of CISF? See, because we understand the welfare or issues of uniform personnel. And that was a wonderful relation I had with these both the organization. I visited CISF Academy at Hyderabad, and I know what tough training is there. So among all paramilitary forces, the border security force is a very hard life. I know.
Very hard, sir.
I moved in Leh area and all, and I interacted with the BSF people.
Sir.
And then I learned their hard life and their work. So you had undergone these all phases and your whatever achievement, hats off to you, and it's really great, and we wish you all the best in your journey ahead. Thank you
very much, sir. Thank you very much for compliments, sir.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Sir, my side, in fact, I wanted to ask you then mistake how the characteristics or the lessons learned from Air Force during the training or for 10-year service in Air Force. How Air Force life helped you to navigate through smoothly through that BSF journey?
Sir, actually, Air Force life has totally helped me out. Even when I went to Air Force, I was a very immature person, not having any knowledge about the career progression, and the teaching in Air Force and behavioral science involvement in the Air Force is a marvelous. I say that the teaching method involved in Air Force, I think it is best in the world.
So what were the key takeaways? What were the key takeaways from Air Force?
These all things made me to do better. My horizon has increased, and with that process, I could appear for so many exams. And I find in our Air Force, people are so cooperative. If somebody wants to do something better for betterment of our life, people help us out. They may joke over it कि commandant साहब क्या हाल है, but otherwise, before becoming commandant, they used to tell me commandant साहब क्या हाल है. But otherwise, I tell you, our Air Force officers and men, they are marvelous. They are very helpful and very caring also. I find our Vantas IC and MWIC, they used to look after us very well. If you have any problem or anything like that. I think
that's where you learned the welfare part. When you became an officer, also you were taking care of your own employees because of the service learnings.
Yes, sir. Even in interview in BSF, he asked me why you want to join BSF as an officer. I said, sir, BSF Air Force is men as well as technical oriented, whereas BSF only men are there, men are more. So I want to look after them very well. I want to do better for their living. That's why I want to join. I told him, sir, actually battalion of the BSF has around 1,000 persons. If I help them, God will help me out also. So he was very impressive with that. So I think it is only Air Force background which helped me to become an officer in BSF.
That's great. And also to navigate your life successfully throughout all the challenges and difficulties, all those things, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Right, sir. So I think given the option for the next Janma, Punar Janma, where do you want to take, in Air Force or BSF?
The next Janma, I want to go to Air Force as an airman. but without any marriage and all.
So that's where the growth is, that's where the discipline is, that's where the learning is, that's where the development is, right? So yeah, Air Force takes us as a rustic layman kind of village boy and it transforms us a full-fledged and a gentleman kind of thing with lots of wisdom, communication skills and training. And once you get the training in Air Force, I feel you become a warrior for life, not for service. So I think those things help you a lot during the course of your journey in the BSF part. Yes, sir. Again, I salute you. I think let us give the chance to our friends also. I think the batchmates are there. Mr. Nurul Saab. So, Eid Mubarak once again.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Great salute, sir, for the stability, sir.
This one, we all feel very proud of.
Entire life is totally thrilling and very much interesting and say inspirational for the other youngsters, others also, those are the Air Force. And I want to know what prompted you to join the BSF instead of other so many fields available. Being a graduate and you were trying for MSc also, still what made you to prefer the BSF as the next your innings?
It was not a preference, it was a selection. Once I got selected, I joined as an officer. Actually, I wanted to join as a professional officer in bank. But I tell you, my handwriting is so poor. After writing, even I can't make out what I have written.
Now, do you have any family background with this paramilitary forces or any defense? Anyone?
I have my elder brother was in Air Force earlier.
Yeah.
Even my grandfather was in army. So we belong to family of defense personnel. Even
because normally people don't prefer being the BSF as someone has informed. It's so
I told you, initially, initially life was very, very tough.
More than the army. Face to face means first bullet you are going to face.
Yes, we are there.
And he faced us. In fact, he faced us.
A great salute to you, sir, for your thrilling life.
Amin Shah, actually, I am thankful to you being today Eid. You are taking out time for us. It is marvelous.
I am waiting to be. Should not miss this occasion. Because such information from you. Being an airman, I was also in 77. Of course, I am very clear. But the entire life is so thrilling.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jadbullah Nurul Hassan sir, Nurul Amin sir. And we have another this thing, Manjunath. Yes, sir. You're the first man to come on the call and wait.
So it was a hair-raising and stunning story of Rathod sir. As I mentioned, I used to interact closely with CISF, BSF, CRPF, and Border Road Forces, ITBP, just as an interest of, as an academical interest. I tell you, the life in BSF is the toughest. Very tough. We must salute him for having opted for that service. As he said, it was a selection. He got success for the first time in that in the BSF, so he joined there. But later on, his journey has been marvelous, and I would say I would call him man on the wheels. I think he never he never stood anywhere for
Always
more
on
than
the move. Yes,
3-4
always
years.
on the move.
Always on the man on the wheels. There is a train also in Jaipur, I think, on the wheel. That luxurious train.
Paradise on the beach.
Yeah.
Paradise. Yes.
Palace on the wheel.
Palace on the beach.
Yeah, palace on the wheel. So definitely, sir, you are an example to others how to lead, and especially your welfare-oriented activities drew my attention, because that is what is required either in military or paramilitary forces. All of us being away from our parents, kith and kins, brothers, sisters, somebody like you, a father figure, giving that love, showing that affection, it's really, the person who gets that love and affection or the care only can feel what it is for him.
Sure.
It's of great value. Hats off to you. Thank you, and see you in Jaipur.
Thank you very much, Manoj Manjunatha. Thank you very much.
Now I request our Captain R.R. Reddy Garu. He is another story of his success. I think one day we will like to listen to your story also, sir. From being an airman to become a pilot in civil airlines. It's really unbelievable. Yes, sir. Reddy Garu, welcome.
There is nothing much to say. Everything, we are all entry mates, and the Air Force is the best, where I find you get all the cooperation whatever you require. Like you can explain your weaknesses, your strengths, everything they take in. But whereas when you come out, everybody would like to find your weaknesses to push you down. In the Air Force, it's not.
Yeah, a lot of cooperation,
supporting,
everything. Uplifting.
Yes, everything. It's uplifting is like full, 100%. Yes. It's like they know your weaknesses, they know your strengths. Wherever your strengths are there, they would like to utilize your strengths, not your weaknesses. They don't like to do anything on that. That is a good thing about the Air Force. And learning wise, it is like a best. And still I live like simple man, like airman only. It's really good, like a disciplined life and friendship. You never forget once you met somebody else. And in the civil life, you do a friendship with somebody, you maybe, with so many people, but you won't forget the Air Force people.
The civil life is a matlab ki duniya, sir.
Correct. In the Air Force life, you never forget people. It's like good life and enjoyable life also. Whatever I spent in 10 years, that's like a most enjoyable life in my total life.
Oh, that's great.
Because
in spite of lower in stature,
never
happy in atmosphere.
They are never bothered for the money. Maybe we are getting 300 rupees, 400 rupees, but life enjoyed is much better than any of these things.
Yeah, great. That's what the greatness of Air Force is. Yes, sir. That's why he wanted to again become an airman, not an officer directly in the Punarjanma.
Like whatever, like a Saturday, Sunday, you go for the picnics, you enjoy with everybody. And work also you do it, but that's not enjoyable. Work is also enjoyable life.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Captain, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Reddy Garu. Thank you so much.
His life is like a tough actually. He went through all the toughs in his personal life as well as service side, whatever. But like losing a wife and those things.
But he made it successful, sir. Towards the end. That's what matters.
Yes.
So our in fact, Karan Singh Rathore sir has done it in his life, achieved, which most people could not have achieved, that he achieved. Thank you, Reddy sir. And one day we will listen to your story also. I'll hamper with the request.
I don't have much to say. Very simple.
But it's also inspiring, to become a pilot. It's not a small thing. Yes, sir. So nice of you. And our Pathak sir, if you are there, I am not able to find. You can speak. Pathak sir.
Can I comment, sir?
Yeah.
Good evening, sir, to everyone. My only complaint, in addition to all others, which many of us have spoken about Rathore sir, is the kind of connect he makes with the people. That is the true leadership. When you connect with the people, but whether he calls that as only an welfare or measures, but that's not only welfare. That is the getting into the hearts of the people by simple measures like that, whatever you have narrated, especially the family aspects. It's just not as simple as it looks like. You have gone into the hearts of the people. You have met them emotionally, and God has been kind to bless them with, children and all. That's of course a different thing, but you made their life livable, and they will not forget these small gestures. I think we need to learn from people like you. We may be very high in corporate, we may be very well placed in our hierarchy, but unless you get down to the people, listen to them, listen to their inner self requirement, basic requirement, and I think you met those things very, very well throughout your life. Hats off to your leadership. Thank you very much, sir. God bless.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, so Sarkal sir, our excellent administrator. And I think if you find anybody else, yeah.
Yes, may I come inside, sir?
Yeah, Professor Saab, welcome.
Very good evening to one and all on board. Tremendous. I'm very sorry. Thank God. I made an attempt to join in BSF. Thank God. And that time IG was one man from Kerala who had an interview there in Association Alhanga for a post of director in technical for training purpose. So he came, landed in Avro something, and fine. It went for half an hour. Thank God. I'm very happily saying, because by seeing the story. And secondly, what I observed is, yes, he had one hand the honesty as well as the discipline, then he was giving the privilege or the welfare, that everywhere, not only in defense, and everywhere it gets balanced, as somebody has rightly pointed out. And the third point, a very important point, in uniform services, life never ever guarantees or warranty anything. No guarantee, no warranty.
Yes, sir.
But certainly possibilities and opportunities. So, my friend, of course, is 2 entry senior to me. Probably I must have noticed is, I hope Ashoka, some other place, billet, I was nearby. Definitely I must have seen you were marching and whatnot, best trade, everything. I could see that TEB board, that you got this medal in Association Tambaram 2 GTS. Fine. However, you have used that both, you have seen the possibilities holding a degree in hand, and then you have used the opportunities. Great salute to you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. God bless you, sir.
Yeah,
thanks a lot for the opportunity given by the organizations.
Yeah, Muthu sir, Varunan Muthu sir.
Good evening to you, DAG sir. You are a lively born, sir. Even today, you are most active. So inspirational it was, and motivation to many of us, and the bravery you have shown. And I am also 78 February. I don't know why these Rathods or one who are of Rajasthan, they are very preferring BSF, because maybe in BSF life they have seen more. And that Rathod, IS Rathod, was my senior man in 1 GTS. After my CT electronics, I went to 1 GTS. That Rathod are till today not able to see. I am very attached to the name Rathod itself, and the daringness where you have shown, and the welfare. All people have already spoke so much about you. Really, hats off to you, sir. And
Thank you.
congratulations and wish you all the best, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. God bless you, sir.
God bless you too, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, anybody can, sir, unmute and speak, please. We are running out of time. Let us make it fast. Yes, sir. Anybody? I think our Subhash Chandra Bose sir will take at last. And Naidu is also there. Yeah, he's
good evening, everybody. I only want to congratulate Rathore sir for all his active, tight-packed life, both in Air Force and in BSF. I know how tough BSF people are when I was in Ladakh for some time, and the way you have been loved by your subordinates and obliged by your seniors, so that is the character which one should possess, so that to be very successful in life. I have no words to appreciate you, because throughout your life, I think you have been active. Only in war we listen words like Uri, Punchi, different other places.
Sopor, Badgaon, kind of.
Yeah, you have been all along there. And from Guwahati to, from Calcutta to Jaisalmer, your movements, it is only you have tolerated it and you have successfully come out of it. My heartfelt congratulations and wish you all the best. God bless you. I wish to see you at Tirupati sometime. Thank you.
I admit to Tirupati once.
Yeah.
I will come again.
Yeah. Please kindly contact me. And
I will do. Surely I will do.
In fact, everybody is looking for an opportunity after this COVID to meet together and get together and enjoy the moments we shared. Yeah,
I am pulling up all my strength.
Sorry to interrupt, sir. Tirupati, we had a very great experience. We had a great fight.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, Raghunandan sir.
Rathore sahab, Jai Hind.
Sir, good evening, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Raghunath Inamdat from Baroda.
Thank you, sir.
आपने एक चीज बताई कि सोपोर से आप बारामूला से सांबा तक बाय रोड आए हैं, तो ट्रेन टैक्स सांबा से चालू होता था? क्योंकि मैंने खाली जम्मू तक ही था.
Actually, Samba was made Adam base for us, administrative base, because Jammu, a lot of rush is there of trains, so that's why they made it Samba, where from we boarding the trains for special train, because you see, lot of troops are involved. Like my battalion, I had 1,000 troops. So to boarding at Jammu, it was slightly difficult. So Samba was Adam based made, and Samba we had 3-4 battalions also, BSF battalions.
That's true. I have visited Samba. I was there in Satwari 26 wing. During that time, I visited in 1983 December.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Raghunath. And anybody else, sir?
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Shastri Garu, R.S. Singh, Sabuddin, Alessi Krishna, Manik Tere, Ramawat sir, Nandakumar, Suresh Sapkal. Anybody can unmute and speak. Otherwise, we are going to finally give it to our Bose-gar. Yeah, Bose-gar, please.
Yeah. See, it is a very impressive talk, and particularly in 1977 to 79, I was also in Satwari, Jammu, and we were all together. I hope in those billets. And the second thing is that your simplicity and with the humanity is a split personality. At the same time, you are other end, you are a very valiant, and you can use the gun to eliminate anybody. So the kind of a split personality which you have, that is very, very clear, and it is very appearing in your presence of activity in the form of welfare and the humanity and this simplicity, one side. Another side, very professionally, you can eliminate or neutralize anybody with a gun. So this is that two different aspects of the human life. So this is one thing. And apart from that, in 1994-95, I have done the solar electrification for the BSF in this Jammu sector through Jammu Kashmir Renewable Energy Development Agency. So that is where the actually BSF was facing certain lighting problem where the intrusion was taking place by the militants. So there we have provided the solar lights in this remote jungle areas, other forest areas. So that was the one thing which I got at that time involved with the BSF solar electrification through the JKEDA. The other side of, as you mentioned in the Uttarkashi side, if you see the 2nd Battalion and the 5th Battalion of the ITBP forces, which were doing up to 20,000 feet beyond Gangotri, I have done the solar plant around 17,000 feet height by trekking to save the lives of the ITBP people. There was every 2-3 hours you can see an avalanche over there. So to protect them, providing them the satellite telephone communication from there, because energy you cannot have in those minus temperatures, and providing the army communication of from those high altitudes of to 17,000 feet to your Uttarkashi 5th Battalion. As you have already mentioned, the back support, rather the base support, from base support to your rear support, that was your Kopang, for example, for ITBP near Gangotri and Bhairavghati. So then another facilities which I have given for them is for their entertainment, satellite television through directly, which we have given for the ITBP people, because they are totally isolated from the civil society, because nobody can reach them. Even going through helicopter also is not so easy areas of those areas. Then coming to this lighting systems for this ITBP in those high areas, because that is the reason I was associating. So that is where we have seen the real enforcement and the force and spirit of functioning of these forces in such kind of critical areas, both the sides. So thank you very much, and you are being one of them, and now as being the part of the Indian Air Force also, and we really appreciate your presence, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. God bless you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
God bless.
Sapkal sir, are you there? And Patek sir, I think there may be some.
May I come in?
Yeah, RS Singh sir. Yeah.
Before I'm running out of
battery. Yeah.
Battery.
Yeah, you can make a point, sir.
I'm congratulating to our Rathore Sahab for to come out from troubled life and commendable success life. So I have to say nothing, because I'm running out of battery. So thank you, and congratulations.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. God bless you, sir. Look after your health.
Okay, thank you.
Except for Ramawat, sir. Ramawat. Yeah, otherwise, or anybody for that matter, if you want to make a point, we can make it, and we are going to close it. Otherwise, I'll wrap it up. So yes, this is about the journey of our Sergeant turned DIG BSF Rathore Sahab with PMG, Police Medal for Gallantry. So in fact, today is the day where you in fact respect. Sir, you want to make a point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
I also retired flight engineer, sir, and feel very proud. Rathore Sahab is our senior. I am from 40 entry, sir. Flight engineers 40 entry. And it is coincidence, sir. I also belong to Jaipur.
Oh
Sanganer.
My God! which part of Jaipur?
Sanganer, sir.
Hanji?
Sanganer.
Okay, Sanganer. Okay.
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir. We'll meet you.
Yeah, will.
And very proud moment, sir, for me to hear all your this bravery and wonderful life story.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
God bless.
Salute you, sir.
Yeah, I think, so Rathore Sahab, you have had a beautiful, exciting, courageous, then humanitarian, then amazing, incredibly inspiring story you have. So as you have narrated your journey of more than 40 years, 10 years from Air Force and 30 years in BSF, and it's really a an inspiring story, an unstoppable story. You remained relentless in your pursuit of success from place to place, from position to position, ultimately starting as a lower level of an airman AC, then went on to become a brigadier level, that is a DIG level. So today, on behalf of all our super air warriors and 71 war heroes of our 2 WhatsApp groups, I salute you for your tremendous.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. So
this has been made successful by you only.
No, with the participation of all our people. And today is the day for you. And again, we are going to come up with again next Wednesday with another story of success. And God bless you, sir.
Thank you. God bless you, sir. God bless you all.
All the good best. Yes, sir.
Again, I thank you all for joining us and giving your precious time around, I think, more than 2 hours past. And Tudar Rao Sahab, you are a great person. The biodata I have seen about you, marvelous and so simple man you are, and you are must be financially you must be in crores even.
I'm so yes, sir. The Air Force gave me a beautiful life, a blessed life. So which I think nobody could have believed or could have enjoyed. I feel that way. So again, I will also tell my story one day as others are telling. So,
DBR Rao sir, दिल से बहुत अमीर है sir.
Thank you, sir.
So nice, sir. Thank you, sir.
God bless you.
I'll share the link within. I think I'll share the recording also within 3-4 days.
Recording
it will upload on the YouTube also. You can enjoy.
Because
all your batchmates also can see it and enjoy it. And it will definitely it's going to inspire younger generations. Whoever listens to this story, of course, we'll take it to the people available across the globe on YouTube. So definitely, so you are the source of inspiration for all of us.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, I would like to ask Rao sir one thing. Of 78 batches, only very, very great achievers. Something special in 1978 recruitment, sir. I have seen several. More than 50 to 60 people are in very good
greatness.
That is one more example, and you too are 78, right?
I'm also 78. And I think that I think Subhash Chandra Bose should tell the secret behind it.
Special in 78. You see, Manjunath sir, and I have so many assistant commissioners.
Sir, I will tell you, 7 and 8, sir, 7 and 8 numbers, which relevant. 7 is the number of reference to the Ketu, and 8 is the number of reference to Saturn. So the Ketu of the dynamics and the Saturn of the determination makes this kind of effort to be successful. Yeah.
I think that's a good logic.
Today, the great achievement of DIG Saab has proved 78 is some greatness.
It seems to be the best. Yeah, no undoubtedly. So undoubtedly, you are the one of the great heroes, sir, of our produced by our Air Force, product of Air Force.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir. Thank you. Good night, sir.
Thank you all for your wonderful and lively participation and support.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, so thank our Subhash Chandra Bose garu, Balinga Saab, Captain Reddy Saab, and Dr. Satbir Yadav ji, Karan Singh, Yati Subhash Chandra Bose garu, Bhavani Shankar, LIC Krishna Swami, HFO Ramawat sir, JW Nurul Amin, and all other our Sabkal Saab, our Wing Commander Karnik Saab, Wing Commander Kotra sir, Group Captain Das sir, and all other warriors who made this program a grand success. Thank you all. And without your support, the continuation of journey would have not been possible. Thank you all.